Welcome back to my channel, Your Home Teacher. I'm your host and teacher. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, the life cycle of a butterfly. So let's get started on this journey and learn how a tiny egg transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Life cycle of butterfly story. Once upon a time, in a small garden, Grandfather was sitting with his grandchildren, Sarah and Ali. They were watching a small plant with a tiny egg on it. Grandfather said, "Look, children, this egg is going to hatch into a beautiful butterfly." Sarah and Ali were excited to see the egg hatch. After a few days, a tiny caterpillar emerged from the egg. Ali exclaimed, "Wow, look at the caterpillar eating the leaves." Sarah added, "It's so hungry." As the caterpillar grew bigger, it wrapped itself in a small room called a pupa. Grandfather explained, "This is where the magic happens. The caterpillar will transform into a beautiful butterfly." After a few more days, a beautiful butterfly emerged from the chrysalis. Its wings were colorful and beautiful. Sarah and Ali were amazed. "Wow, look at the butterfly." Grandfather smiled. "Isn't it beautiful? The life cycle of a butterfly is truly amazing." The butterfly spread its wings and flew away. Sarah, Ali, and Grandfather watched as it flew from flower to flower, searching for sweetness. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the life cycle of a butterfly with Sarah, Ali, and Grandfather. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.